Kashmiris on both sides of line of control and across the world are observing the Jammu Martyrs Day today to reiterate the resolve to carry on the Martyrs' mission till they achieve their just right to self-determination. Hundreds of thousands of Kashmiris were martyred by the forces of Dogra Maharaja Hari Singh, Indian Army and Hindu fanatics in different parts of Jammu region while they were migrating to Pakistan during the first week of November in 1947. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesperson in a statement issued in Srinagar said that the Kashmiris would always remember the unprecedented sacrifices rendered by the Jammu Martyrs 75 years ago. In addition to that, the Legal Forum for Kashmir hosted an in-house discussion titled 75 Years of Horrendous Genocide in IRJK to Connection with the Jammu Genocide. Meanwhile, the High Court of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of two persons booked under Black Law Public Safety Act and directed the authorities to release them immediately. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, locals held a sit-in protest in Ransu in Riyasi, Jammu against the proposed cable car project for Shiv Khori, which according to them would severely affect the livelihood of the locals. A roundtable conference was held at the office of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter in Islamabad today in connection with the martyrdom anniversary of Jammu Martyrs. APHC-AJK chapter convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar chaired the conference while AJK Jamaat-e-Islami leader Abdul Rashid Tarawi was chief guest. Farzana Yaqub Raja, Najabat Hussain, Ghulam Nabi Bhatt, Raja Pervez and a delegation of Occupied Kashmir Journalist Association also participated in the function. The speakers on the occasion paid rich tributes to the Jammu Martyrs and said the Kashmiri people are observing the day with a renewed resolve to continue the Martyrs' mission until their inalienable right to self-determination is secured. Seminars and discussions were also held in Muzaffarabad to commemorate the day. Dr. Ghulam Nabi Fai, Chairman World Forum for Peace and Justice, in an informative and educational session on global justice held in New Jersey, said that seeming conspiracy of silence over gross affronts to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir is worrisome.